The gruesome murder of a Cebu teenager earlier this week had gone viral, and by now it has caught the attention of President Duterte himself. The president says clearly illegal drugs were involved in a killing which brutality has shocked the nation. There is now a 1.8 million peso bounty for the arrest of the teen's killers. Romel Lopez with the details.
Lourdes still couldn't believe that the life of her 16-year-old daughter, Christine Lee Silawan, will end in a very tragic manner. Christine left their house Sunday for church service. On Monday morning, her lifeless body was found in a vacant lot in Lapu-Lapu City.
Sakit. Nakita ang anak ko. Walang mukha. Bungo. Parang hayop. Ang nakita ko. Masakit talaga, sir. Sa nakita, sa nangyari sa anak ko, sa karumal-dumal na ginawa.
Based on the autopsy, the teen sustained 30 stab wounds. Although she was naked from waist down, there were no indications of rape, but her face was skinned to the skull, and some of her internal organs were missing.
Wala yung dila niya, yung kanyang esophagus, wala. Kasi diretso na doon sa buto na talaga ng neck eh.
President Rodrigo Duterte extended his condolences to the family, offering flowers and monetary assistance. The president believes those behind the gruesome killing were under the influence of drugs. He warned of intensified anti-drugs operation.
May pinatay ang mga niya, binalatan yung muka. Tapos yung iba, 4 months old. Ngayon yung nag-rape ng 4 months old, patay na yun. Mauna ka sa impyerno, patay na yun. Human rights, baka hindi nyo alam, if try to dig into the case and you'd find that my revulsion sa ganon.
The Lapu-Lapu City Police launched manhunt operation against 3 suspects. One was caught on CCTV with the victim a short time before she went missing, while others were seen on a vacant lot where the crime was allegedly committed.
Kitang-kita yan sa CCTV, naglakad sila, din naghiwalay, din mayroon tayong nakita doon na we believe was one of the suspects. Mayroon nag-volunteer na pumunta doon, nakakita siya ng 3 silhouette. At nakita nga niya, in-action pa nga niya yung ginagawa doon na pointing to the tragic nga ginawa doon sa ating biktima. And then, it was corroborated with another witness.
The reward for the capture of the suspects has risen to 1.8 million pesos. The family wants justice for Christine.
Papatayin mo siya slowly. Kasi yung death penalty, isang, hindi ka maano nun kasi hindi nyo matutumbasan kung gaano ang sakit at lungkot na binigay niya doon sa pamilya ng kanyang biniktima.
For News 5, Romel Lopez, we are One News.